So ushukela, it's a killer. It's a killer, it's a killer, it's a killer. Ushukela, it's a poison. In fact, the fructose, the sweet part of sugar, it goes into the mitochondria, my cells akho nami. It destroys mitochondria.
Okay. Andile Kamajolo.
So about this, ngithi abantu mabahlukane ne-toothpaste. A toothpaste because in a fluoride. Toothpaste, Colgate, whatever.
Okay, uma kuthiwa behlukana bona bengasebenzisa ini?
Umlot, you see?
Okay.
What did we use before? We used umlot.
Okay.
Number 3 killer are chronic medications.
Really?
Chronic medications are the number 3 killer.
So chronic medication is speaking ARVs,
all of them.
Insulin, lower sugar.
You know, I've said in some of the broadcasts, you know, the best ministers I say now in South Africa, wa health, wa Umanto.
Yeah. Sanibonani and welcome to On Point with Sandy Nene. Namhlanje ke ngihleli nomuntu omkhulu kakhulu mhlawumbe nani ngiyangibona nje ukuthi ngiqona so iskipper ngisiphiwe Andile Kamajola sithi understand namanje ngisamangele lamazwi ajwayele ukuthi akhulunywa abantu asebelashwe udokotela lo enhlile eduze kwakhe uMr RB Nxumalo osasebenze kakhulu onezibhedlela ezimbili ezibizwa ngokuthi yangakithi
medicals, yeah.
Yes.
Ngakithi medicals.
Ngakithi medicals. Yeah. Ubaba osenze okukhulu kakhulu nje esiza abantu kahle la ngoba simbizela kwi podcast yethu uzofuna ukuthi simazi kangcono nanokuthi nje ashiye wisdom ethize kulabo abanye abantu abane ama hopes nezifiso zokuthi yena bagcina sebengenile kwi medicine o mhlambe bethanda ukuthi basebenzisane nabantu. Sabona baba sekwamukela kwi On Point with Sandy Nene.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Sanibonani.
Yebo.
Njengoba beshile ngudokotela ngokufunda Western trained. I was trained at Walter Sisulu University.
Yes.
I graduated in 2005, started working in 2006. Ngiqale ngwelezane as an intern. Ngaqhubeka kwezinye ibhedlela around i-province yase-KZN. Okubalulekile wena ukuthi why I think I'm doing things differently. You know, if you look at the medicine as a whole, uthola ukuthi medicine most people babulawa izifo kuthiwa ngoma amahlala khona, chronic diseases. So they die from those. Now, if you look at our country, South Africa, see number 10 top killers in the country that have been there for years. For years, we've been saying TB is the worst killer. Kulandele hypertension, kulandele isifo senhliziyo nani. But if you look now, as we talk now, the worst killer is let's say number 2, diabetes. Diabetes was number 2, but it is number 1 now. It's killing people. The only problem is now South Africa, nobody keeps the statistics of chronic diseases. In the infectious disease like TB, but nobody's gonna say to you, how many people die from cancer, and so those figures are not there. I'm sure probably there's a purpose. I don't know. So what we find along the way isn't as thing that we get taught at medical school. All medical schools is no exception. You know, they're not entirely true. Now, it might be surprising to hear that from a doctor, but it is true. They're not entirely true. If you look at the history of medicine, they were said and done because people had certain interests in certain ways. Take, for instance, argument whether amafutha abanga isifo senhliziyo, right? That is not true. In fact, sugar lubanga isifo senhliziyo. Not amafutha. That's why there's this story about cholesterol. You must reduce your cholesterol and so on. It was engineered in such a way that abantu basatshiswe kwi-cholesterol ukuze banyuse ukusebenza kwashukela. But that is linked to industrial revolution, yes, the USA and other countries. So at the time they then said abantu mabamove away from using amafutha kwathiwa sifo senhliziyo sibangwa move away from sifo senhliziyo sibangwa amafutha,
Yeah.
of which it has been said and done in many researches ukuthi isifo senhliziyo sibanga ushukela, not i-cholesterol. So thatha i-cholesterol as an example, ukuthi what happens today. To look all doctors, umuntu once waba nesifo senhliziyo, waba ne-hypertension, waba noshukela, waba all these vascular diseases, kuzovele kuthiwe bakunikeza amaphilisi e-cholesterol, ukunciphisa i-cholesterol emzimbeni. Now, i-research, this is the problem with research. I-research ithatha isikhathi ukuthi ibonakalise kwi-mainstream medicine. It takes about 10 to 20 years. Ukuthi menze into namhlanje ngayibamba ngayipresent yavunywa ukuthi balapha ukuthi ifundwe ezikolweni, it takes about 20 years.
Okay.
And it may take even more because baningi abantu ngizothina kanjani abagainayo nge-research ekhona at the moment. Njengoba ngishilo ngathi i-cholesterol does not cause isifo senhliziyo. Isifo senhliziyo sibanga ushukela. Right, mainly fructose, the sweet part of ushukela. So laba bantu abalapha bazokulwa as much as they can ukuthi lento esiqhamukile bayilwe baze yabo bathenga ama-politicians. That's what happens in countries like USA, yes, where these politicians are bought ukuthi bagcine le mfundiso ikhona ukuze amaphilisi producer aqhutsheka asetshenziswe in different countries. That's a problem.
Yeah.
But that's going to need some miraculous work. It's going to be there for many years because they will fight by all means these things they corner because it's money involved. Now, cancer. Cancer, it's one of these killing diseases. In South Africa, I looked at figures. They were saying about many years ago, they were saying about 1.8 people are dying from cancer every day. But what causes cancer? Right? This is the thing. What causes cancer? Cancer is not caused by genetic malfunctioning, as it is said. Cancer is caused by food that we eat. Now, how does this happen? I'll give an example again. Isn't eziningi that kill us? I said it was used to be TB, kube isifo sikashukela, kube izifo zenhliziyo, kube yini in that top 10. But cancer was there at the back. It's about number 10, right? Obviously, because we don't have figures. Among countries that have got figures, cancer is up number 2, number 3. People that are keeping figures. So cancer is caused by ukudla esikudlayo. And research has been done here and it has been completed. And abantu they are talking about it, but to get that change with management, it's going to take years because our companies are making a lot of money out of cancer drugs, out of chemotherapy, out of radiotherapy. So uthola ukuthi abantu abaphethwe cancer, they end up dying. Why? Because uyafika umuntu une cancer yesibeletho or cancer yebele, right? Cancer yebele kade nosisi nje izolo osuka I think one of the townships around Durban. Une cancer yebele. Okay, so uhambile balapha wafike bamdiagnose esibhedlela esikhulu la eThekwini, bamdiagnosile bathola ne-cancer yebele, so they planned ukuthi makayohlinzwa bamthumele kwesinye isibhedlela regional hospital. Mayifika lapha bafike bathi ngathi sivuvukele ingane yakho. Of course ivuvukele. Intamo ikhukhumele. Of course ikhukhumele, but no, I don't think we should hlinza you now. Let's do a scan. Scan lese sizoku-check ukuthi isihambe yafika.
Yeah.
Do you see where this is getting to? It's getting to ukuthi ibele ngeke balisuse because cancer sijani is spreading. Now a problem, this lady has been, is it about 31 or 32 years? This lady has been doing my visits as bedlela, right? And because of it delay inbuilt delay with system, that's where she is now. She is facing a situation at 32 or 31 years. She is facing a situation of cancer at an early age because what's going to happen? But no, we can't do anything because it's spread. Therefore, we can't even remove ibele lakho. Uzohlala ufike esibhedlela, one of big hospitals here, ufike esibhedlela bangamnikeza ngisho ama painkillers. She's just by herself. She only came to us because usister wamdonsela eceleni, usister who happens to be, speaking the same language as her. What again? Hey, go and find somewhere usizo wena ungayilali indaba esho. Because they were simply saying to her, at this stage, there's nothing probably that you can do. We're going to sit with this thing until you're going to go to hospice or go home and sit and die.
Yeah.
That's the end of it. Because it challenge abantu banalento yokuthi once udokotela wathi i-cancer senguhlinzile sikuthi ibele selisusiwe bese uthi umuntu hayi sengi-cured. But awukaze ubheke ukuthi i-cancer izifike nje esibelethweni, izifike nje ekhanda, izifike nje ebeleni yayisukaphi. This is the thing.
So wenze njani ukuthi uma ukade une-cancer vele and then bese katsho okay uhambe ichemo wenzeni and then bese kuthiwa iphelile because nginomngani kuthiwa iphelile mase sebuyiswa yini so kuyinto kade ungayenzi wena noma khona into oyenzile noma oyidlile e-wrong noma kusokenzakalani sengibuzela umngani wami nje.
That's the thing. That's exactly the point that I've been trying to make ukuthi abantu mababheke ukuthi uza abe ne-cancer nje ibiyenziwe yini. Musukulalela kuthiwe we have done chemo and radiotherapy and therefore we are healed, go home and be happy. No, umbuzo uthi uyibiyenziwe yini izifike lapha. Now research is going to answer this. Research says ukuthi i-cancer idalwa ukudla esidla. Let me give you a picture how this happens.
Okay.
I've cited one of the articles recently ngathi abantu mabafunde ukuskipha i-breakfast. I-breakfast is the worst of the worst meals that you can take. Okay. Worst meals. Reason is this, ukuthi uma udla uvuka ekuseni udle uphuza right? Phuza itiye noshukela, okay? Sukela lapho udle isinkwa sinoshukela, right? Ne-glucose, sinoshukela, ne-fructose. Usukela lapho uyodla ipapa. What is all this? Centrally we are eating glucose. Okay, i-glucose ingene ama-carbohydrates angene emzimbeni ashintsha be-glucose.
Awucabange thina sikhula sazi ukuthi
breakfast is the best meal. Exactly. This was done, as I said, this was an industrial evolution that was done these years. Ukufaka abantu umqondo ukuthi i-breakfast ibalekile so that abantu set up i-system yabo for failure in the end. Now, mawusunyuse le glucose emzimbeni, kwenzekani la? Umzimba ngathi uzosecrete ama-hormones, kuthiwa i-insulin ezofika iqoqe labo glucose bofaka ndawo lapho funa bafakwe khona. Okay, fine. Uqhubeka udla i-glucose wena. Uzokwenzekani futhi uzoqhubula ama-carbohydrates uthole aphula uthole igwinya uthole in all these are inflammatory. Uzosuka lapho le glucose ebisiningi because ayisakwazi manje ukungena kulezi ngqolobana ezikhona. Uzokwenzekani izovela ikapa igcwele egazini. Ngothi uyaqhubeka uyadla uyodla lunch uyodla ini ngoba umzimba, this how this thing happens. Umzimba uma udla i-fructose uma udla i-glucose ugcina usujwayele ugcina usukudemanda wena ukuthi thola more glucose, thola more. Okay. It's the same thing like ilento ugwayi utshwala
abanye baze bathene angikwazi
ukuphila ngaphandle kwe-Coca-Cola, angikwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kwento. Exactly, that's what happens.
Okay.
So umzimba ke bese usitshela ukuthi I need to have this glucose, I must have this glucose, and I must thola amakhekhe mangithole ini because umzimba usujwayezela
lokho. Umuntu esengidinga ushukela emzimbeni.
Exactly. That's what happens. Athi umuntu nekhanda letiye. This is the mechanism eyenzeka ebuchosheni. Now uthola ukuthi ke le glucose mayiseningi ivele ihambe yonamathela emzimbeni kuma cells. Onke ama-cells. In the case kasisani ukhuluma inamathela kuma cells asemabeleni. Uma isinamathela kuma cells, ama-cells remember ukuthi thina senziwa ama-trillions of cells. Trillions of cells ayenza thina. Ukuze ube umuntu, ama-trillions of cells enza umunwe kanjalo. Lama cells ngikubiza ngamagumbi okwenza izinto zenzeke. So lamagumbi ke mayisenamathelele glucose owena lokhu idle njalo ne-fructose lokhu idle njalo. What have you done? Usuwenze le cell ebijwayele ukuthi yazeke imhlophe yasilenga izinto eziningi. Umzimba obusuyibuza ukuthi sekubani lo selenga izinto akasebelong in the system. It's like in any war uthola ukuthi makuliwa bayazi abantu i-target yethu umuntu ogqoke lokhu nalokhu but once washintsha umuntu siyambulala. So that's what happens emzimbeni. Uzothola okay lo uselenga ama-glucose amaningi masim-attack. Bese iya-attackwa lowo muntu. Bese iya-attackwa le cell. Attackwa by the very same cells asemzimbeni. What's going to happen? Le cell izoproduce ama-chemicals azogijima emzimbeni asakazeke abulale other cells Now you see, i-cause yakhona kube yini ukuthi it's not ukuthi i-DNA ifike yashintsha washiya nje i-DNA ne-change yakhona it's downstream. I-cause bekuthi ukudla obukudlile wena okwenza ukuthi wagcina kubekele indawo kuyona. So umuntu one-cancer kufanele afunde ukuthi ukudla akudlayo ikona okudala i-cancer, not anything else. Ukudla okudla it is the main cause ye-cancer.
Ikona kuphi ukudla okujwayele ukuthi kube yona i-cause ye-cancer nje?
Oh God. I'll give you the top. I'll give you the top ones as relevant in our setting. I-rice emhlophe ikakhulukazi. I-rice mangithi rice emhlophe.
Okay.
Ushukela, any form of sugar, brown or what, black, white sugar, they all cause.
So at this point, one has to reduce sugar.
You know, World Health Eat. I-World Health Eat yathi not diet yathi ngo-2014 eRome ngoNovember yathi yabiza bonke minister, all ministers including this country were called to Rome to a meeting. They were told ama-ministers ukuthi go and tell ama countries ukuthi mawahlise ushukela. They were told, including our country. They went there 2014. You know, that's what declaration yenziwa. Declaration yahlanganiswa yapresentwa ngoMarch 2015.
Yeah.
Now, these ministers were told ukuthi please go and tell your countries ukuthi mawareduce ushukela. Kwathiwa at least umuntu mayizofaka ushukela entweni makangeqi kuma teaspoon ayisithupha 24 hours. Do you think those ministers came back and said anything to us? I've never heard. They might, I don't know. But I've never heard go and change your legislation so that ivumele ukuthi abantu bafundiseke ukuthi ukudla okunoshukela kuyingozi engakanani. They were told. They didn't do it. Right? Now, we're sitting with a problem because, you know, this thing is captured in South Africa. Where we told is system here to captured by many things. If you Coca-Cola, for instance, Coca-Cola, with glass of Coca-Cola, it's about 40 grams, you know, because it is 4 grams of sugar. So, in essence, we should go in grams, about 24 grams of sugar, 24 hours. Now, do you think any person is sticking to that? No.
Even some brands. Okay,
exactly. I think that's what we're referring with. The big companies abazukwazi ukuyenza lento bazoyeka ukwenza ini ukusupporta in big ways. So therefore, if we come up with this thing, no, it's not going to work. That's what happens. This is the system esigiyona. So ushukela, it's a killer. It's a killer. Ushukela, it's a poison. In fact, the fructose, the sweet part of sugar, it goes into the mitochondria, my cells akho nami. It destroys mitochondria. If it destroys mitochondria, it must basically produce ama cells, ama chemicals, ama ROS, reactive oxygen species. Agijima emzimbeni ahlakaze izinto eziningi ezenza emzimbeni. Ahlakaze igenome, ahlakaze kugcine kuthiwa i-cancer ibangwa yini ama genes ahlakazekile. It's not true. Ama genes ahlakazeka because kuqale ushukela wafika wanamathela washintsha ukusebenza kwesele uthe isele ngashintsha kwase kugcina sekwenzeka into ezenzekile. The same thing applies to stroke, the same thing applies to heart attack, the same thing applies to ikhanda ongalazi liqhamukaphi, the same thing applies to amadolo, the same thing applies to ungabathola abantwana. You know, abantu today bathi khona abantu ababathola abantwana PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, because kusuka very same sugar ufika unamathele kuma cells ama ovaries, automatic cells. Lama cells ama ovaries once kwa automatic cells once kwanamathatha glucose azoshintsha because awasafundeki as belong to the cell. They are foreign because asenalezi zinto esezikhona kuona.
That's why sithola ukuthi yena isikhathi esiningi intsha izifo ezingajwayele ukuthi ziphathe that's njenge stroke, usifo senhliziyo nayo yonke into. Kusho ukuthi ngoba manje sesithathe kakhulu zonke lezi zinto lezi ezibangela ukuthi kube easier ukuthi sibe athekeke kalula lezi zifo lezi.
You know, when you take inch, I'm going to say to you, research has said to us, they come out of their womb, but metabolic syndrome. Uyakwazi ukuthetha umntwana one stroke today. Uyakwazi ukuteta umntwana onesifo sikashukela, uyakwazi ukuteta umntwana ose-already onesifo senhliziyo. Now because omama badla ushukela, umntana uzodla lento oyidla umama.
So ayisasebenze lento le nabantu fanele ukuthi bayi-understand futhi bayifake emakhanda ukuthi yena ngeke ukuthi ngiyathandiswa.
No, you can't.
Uthi hayi ngangithandisa ubacekile.
Awukwazi ukuthandisa igwinya. Ugwinya one of the inflammatory. Let me just I said shukela ngathi rice, ikakhulukazi rice emhlophe. I'm going to say to you, amagwinya.
Yeah,
flour.
Fast food in just
all the fast foods, especially those that are heated at high temperatures. Ngikhuluma ngepizza, ngikhuluma ngamagwinya, ngikhuluma ngamakhekhe, ngikhuluma ngazonke that get heated. Ngikhuluma ngenyama. Inyama lesi esiyibraya soyibraya ngoDecember. It's heated at high temperatures. Now, uyazi ukuthi kunomehluko phakathi kwenyama. I say this in a joking way. Ukuthi kunomehluko phakathi kwenyama eyosiwa emakhaya, lesiyosayo masinomsebenzi, masithatha sifishaya emlilweni sithi, nenyama efakwa kwi-charcoal. Yabona i-steam esiphuma kwi-charcoal is so strong compare ukuthi inyama yombengo vilitwe ha ikhishwe bambe boyidla abantu. Now umuntu odle inyama enombengo nenyama eyosiwe i-metabolism ayifani, because lona udle inyama highly hitting hard kuma cells akhe, kanti lona udle inyama engashanga ngaleyo ndlela, and futhi inyama yasekhaya isuka ezinkomeni ezifresh by the way, ezidla utshani, ezikhule over 1.5 years.
Yes.
Kanti lezi zakuma farms zikhulisa over 6 months. Zinikeza imjovo sisheshe soyithenga nje siyokwenza imisebenzi emakhaya ngoDecember. That's what happens.
Nalento lena ngicela ukuthi uphawule ngayo leyo kusebenzisa ama gas stoves, because I know ukuthi endaweni amanye amabhusha inyama sebeyibraya kuma gas stoves bethi ngoba kuyashesha benzela ama-order.
Exactly the thing. This thing was planned long time ago. You know, I was reading yesterday. We'll be surprised ukuthi I was reading yesterday ukuthi next year 2025 October soba no COVID omusha. Now these things are planned, you know. Why? This was planned in 2022, by the way. It was planned in Brussels in 2022 by the big guys, or Bill Gates and the company and the World Health Organization. They met and they did this.
Yes.
They've done a simulation. You know, you can go and see it in YouTube. It's a simulation 80. There's going to be COVID. They call it SARS. It's severe epidemic enterovirus syndrome, right? Respiratory syndrome. Now, we must look at this thing. This is a thing different. If virus such as nayo ngo 2021, even before it happened. Now, if coronavirus, right? So it attacked the respiratory system. Now they've said, okay, because izingane were not involved that much with COVID. Akasifaka ingane encane manje. That's how the enterovirus. Now that's why it is severe respiratory enterovirus respiratory syndrome. It's something as affect both respiration nani namathumbu. Now ingane they get involved there. So izingane ezizoba nalesifo zogcina zi-brain dead, zi-paralyzed. Now what is going to happen? Izinkampani are going to mobilize ama-vaccines so that ama-vaccines adayiswe and so on, so that countries, third world countries, all countries bambe bothenga lawo ma-drugs to vaccinate their people. Because ayikho countries ovuma ukuthi ingane zabo zibe paralyzed. Now these things are done in good time. Right? So that abantu aba-industrial be prepared to sell ama-drugs. Now, if you khumbula kahle, I don't know if you're aware ukuthi ngo 2021 sino-COVID, kwakhona ama-vaccine ayi-2 la eSouth Africa. Kwakhona i-vaccine yase-Russia, kwakhona i-vaccine yase-China. Right? What happened? You know, there was a question whether we should use ngoba i-vaccine le yasemelika babesebhizi besa-vaccinate abantu babo. Whether we could use these ones. No, we're told, no, don't use them. We're told by the big guys, no, don't use the vaccine yase-Russia, don't even use yase-China. Wait for our own vaccine. Sisaqedela ama-states ethu thina. Kuzothi makhona insalela, sinidayisele. That's exactly what happened. Kwaqhamuka inkampani yethu inhlangano le yethu e-religious drugs said no le yase Russia ngeke sisebenzise da le China ngeke da so linda le. And by approval this one. Yathi mayifike approve. You know, these things are done deliberately. Now abantu mabeqonde lanto ukuthi ukufa ubuhlungu obukuwena emzimbeni, it is because of food that you are eating. Ngitheke amafutha, amagwinya, ikakhulukazi ukudla okushisiwe. Now I'm going to go to and say to ulamthuthu is one of the things that are killing us. Why? Ulamthuthu it's a genetically modified food. As you are aware, ukuthi ulamthuthu usuke eqandeni, iqanda kuhlangana ama-chemical kwenziwe iqanda kushiswe lapha. Nami ngangisa uthengele umshini nonkosikazi elokuzaleni ekhaya wokwenza amaqanda. Right? Uthatha leyo uyifake lapha kujike kube amaqanda ukhiphe itshwele one day jove kukhule within 5 weeks 6 weeks sekulamthuthu siyakudayisa. These are all chemicals that have been engineered to change this nkukhu oyidayisayo ebe metabolic syndrome product so that umuntu odla ulamthuthu uzigcina metabolic syndrome. Now we say to abantu mabahlukana kudla ulamthuthu, cut down on ulamthuthu, cut down on KFCs because all things zizwa ngolamthuthu or lama izinkukhu esidayisa because zizwa ngolamthuthu. Now inkukhu esafe, inkukhu esekhaya ekhule ekhaya idla ibungu, idla utshani, idla ini. That's what is safe. Inkomo esafe, inkomo lekhulu esekhaya edla utshani, edla ini ehlala eqeleni, hayi ehlala endaweni lapho ezojova khona ibe nemkhuhlane
yezwe.
You know, it gets very interesting there.
Yeah.
Because I'm a veg. I know kufa kwawo. Angithi ama veg yabona mangwathenga thamba uthenga iveg esitolo. Okay, uthenga iveg esitolo uzibuza ukuthi ikhweni. You don't know.
Yeah.
Science ithi iveg esihlale 3 days. More than 3 days. It's not useful. No, it's not useful for you. Now siyithenga nini iveg esithe lethe isihlale 3 days nje inamapha ama-insecticides na-pesticides akhona lapho. What diseases are there kuleyo? Yabona uhulumeni isikhathi esanda kuqala uhulumeni wethu esathi one home one garden. I think they're a good idea. Just that they lost it along the way. Because abantu fanele bayakhuthaza ukuthi mabatshale. That's what is happening in these countries that are independent, that can think independent, like Russia, I think like China, where they can make their own decisions about abantu babo. Thina decisions ezenziwa kuthina sincike ukuthi zithini the big guys about that. You know, I think from they cross check before they come with any decision, because if that affects production, therefore, you know, it can't be sustained in our countries. Unfortunately, that's so it means ukuthi umuntu nomuntu kumele azazi ukuthi impilo yakhe uresponsible for yona, for the fact that abantu ama-ministers ahamba. If uzibuza ukuthi ubani wayeminister ngo-2014 uzibuza ukuthi ubani wayeminister namhlanje, because the same person was the minister ngo-2014 the same person who minister namhlanje. Right? What do you expect? What different are you expecting from this person? Do you think they care about what happens to you? Now masifunde lanto ukuthi we are on your own with health. We are on your own.
Yeah.
We are on your own.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuzwa abayongqongqoshe bethi abantu mabelande ama-chronic amaphilisi ku-chronic. They have no idea what these chronic pills do, right? You know, in the first world countries where they follow diseases, number 3 killer ama-chronic medications.
Really?
Chronic medications are the number 3 killer.
So chronic medication is speaking ARVs,
all of them.
Insulin, lower sugar.
You know, I've said in some of the broadcasts, you know, the best minister esasenayo eSouth Africa health kwakuManto. You know, but uManto samenzanga, samthuka, samthintini, kwamobilizwa ama-NGOs against it and so on and so on, because
jokes around
exactly. Today, I'm telling you, today, ukudla okuproducer i-chemical ewine Nobel Prize, I think it was 2018. It was on beetroot, nitric oxide. Now, the same thing uManto wayikhuluma ngayo, she saw this thing beforehand, together with President Thabo Mbeki. They saw this thing. She said that we didn't understand. You know, we said many things about it because we didn't understand. Now I see it now. She really realized that abantu mabengashintsha and go back to what they used to do, they were better off.
Ngoba kahle kahle I think la South Africa siyayibalekela into enolwazi sivele sifuna ukubona ijoke kuyona. Whenever there's seriousness in it, sibona ukuthi and I know we can joke around it. Kanti asazi ukuthi siyibulala thina naney'ngane lezi ey'buyela kuthina.
You know, I speak to, I also write about this, ngithi abantu mabahlukane ne-toothpaste. I-toothpaste because ine-fluoride. Toothpaste, Colgate, whatever.
Okay, uma kuthiwa behlukana bona bengasebenzisa ini?
There's umlot, you see?
Okay.
What did we use before? We used umlot.
Okay.
What if problems we have? There were no problems.
Shuthi manje kahle athi this is the time when zibuyele emasisweni khona.
Exactly. Now, you see, toothpaste in a fluoride. Right? In a fluoride. What does fluoride do to you? Fluoride comes into your body and destroys your thyroid gland. What is the function of the thyroid gland? Thyroid gland imanage umzimba, i-metabolism yomzimba, right? Abantu abane-thyroid gland babona ngani? Abakwazi ukuhamba, ibalance abanayo, baphathwa ikhanda elingapheli, bayakhathala kakhulu. Baphathwa ikhanda, sekushilo baphathwa ikhanda. Umzimba uyakhathala. Abantu uze umuntu one-fibromyalgia. So what is that? It just simply means ukuthi izicubu zakho zonke zikhathele. What is causing it? So ngithi kuwena ukudla i-fluoride, usebenzise i-fluoride ekwi-toothpaste uzibulala wena, udestroy i-thyroid gland yakho, udestroya i-pineal gland as well. What is the function of the pineal gland? I-pineal gland is secreta i-melatonin from tryptophan. What is tryptophan? It's an amino acid. Ezoproducer i-melatonin. What is the function of the melatonin? I-melatonin yona regulator ukulala kwethu. Now, what's going to happen? Uzothi flow uzoqhubha wena uqhubha ngale fluoride, ngale toothpaste de fluoride. Toothpaste de fluoride yo destroy your pineal gland. Wasakwazi ukulala in the end. Right? Bese uthi nginenkinga yobuthongo. Dokotela ngifike nje yakulaleki kwaze kwathini. Now, uthi umuntu no, I mean the cause is you because usebenzisa, you know, in fact mangibe fair here because i-source ye fluoride ma toothpaste kube amanzi esiwaphuza lamanzi esiwathenga eitolo. We must read in my ingredients la nto kubhaleke ukuthi fluoride ingaba phakathi.
Yeah.
Amabhodwe la thick about stainless steel. Labathi abizayo.
Awekho right.
No, ane-Teflon. Teflon, go and Google it. Kuthi Teflon in. Teflon is a compound and a tetrafluoride. A lot of fluorides are azungeza a certain compound.
And determinant ngalento leyo ukuthi zonke lezi zinto lezoyichazayo zikhona, they are there for us. It's just that thina sikhetha ukuthi sizibe.
Sikhetha sizibe nanokuthi information is horrible. Apart from information horrible, abantu abafana nami nawe aba so lazy to read. Even doctors. Even you know, I say that with respect. Even doctors umuntu ufunda into uGayton i-physiology amfunda ngale yaminyaka acabanga ukuthi into is applied 30 years ago. It's applied. No, it doesn't. Science moves. It's dynamic. Science. Science questions things. Why so? You know, ukuthi umhlaba kwakuthiwa round mawusakhumbula kwakuthiwa round kono Galileo no banban during those times ama Roman empires. You know, it turned out umhlaba is oval. Umuntu owathi one of the guys owathi umhlaba wazowenza njani wabulawa washiswa in broad daylight ukuze abantu babone because wayephikisa into eyayisi acceptwe abantu ababe powerful at the time. So babe accept ukuthi umhlaba is round. Base bethi okay, nobody's going to say anything against it. When this guy why is sebefundisile le scientist bambulala bamshisa. But today it has been agreed umhlaba is oval. Right? We evolve around, the earth evolves around the sun. It's an oval shape. Now, I'm saying to you, izinto of science, they take time to come to the fore. Zithi zifika, unfortunately, these ones esikhuluma ngazo zibulele abantu abaningi because abantu bakithi kufanele bafunde ukuthi zikhona izinto ongazenza.
Yeah.
You know, I've just spoken about them kwisolezo last week, Tuesday. Zikhona izinto ongazenza without paying a cent. Without paying a cent ezingashintsha ukudlela umzimba wakho osebenza ngayo. One of them ngithe ukuyeka ibreakfast. Breakfast is a bad meal. I've just said it, breakfast is set up for failure during the course of the day.
What about labantu laba kuthiwa they must take medication ekuseni? You
know, because I'm not a guy who is chronic. I'm one guy who reverses things. Okay. Right? I'm a functional medical doctor. If functional medical doctor, osebenzisa i-research ukulapha abantu. Ngo-2016, is 1916, practice 2016. In 1916, a guy called Elliot Joslin, he was a researcher. He went to Canada. Mayifike eCanada ba involved with research ne-team yakhe ba-discover ukuthi ushukela uyelapheka without using medication. That was 1916. 1918, they discovered there's metformin, a pills. And later they discovered there's insulin, umjovo. Okay, but I said, man, no, there's money here. There's no money in this thing at Joslin. No, what they did, they then changed it. I-research is bought. Okay, i-research those days uyakwazi ukuthi ima unemali uthi ngicela nenze i-research ezoprove ukuthi kanje. That's going to happen because there's money, right? So bayishintsha i-research base bethi no ushukela isifo sikashukela is chronic so abantu babasebenzisa amaphilisi if amaphilisi ngasemaba emjoveni imijovo namaphilisi wona destroy mitochondria wona destroy imizimba yethu i-cancer idalwa i-insulin by the way. Insulin that abantu abayijovayo. I said one of the things abantu abangazenza ukuthi laba into these top 10 things or there are about 12 of them. And abantu mabafunde ukuthi uma ujova insulin at the moment zama uye kudokotela wakho uthi sicela enze kanganga ukuthi akwehlisele i-dosage because the higher the dose the higher the damage.
Okay.
Khumbula ukuthi insulin umzimba yakwazi.
And you are allowed to ukhulume nodokotela wakho.
Yes, we are allowed. Kukhona abantwana namhlanje wena uthi uyobona nje ubusemncane nje kuzovela uma kwaba neshukela namkuvele kuthamba ambojova. Ngeke bazabone metformin nodokotela. Kunale umqondo yabona umqondo wawuthi i-medicine ya before yayithi kune juvenile diabetes bese kuba khona i-diabetes abantu abadala. So kwakusasifundiswa ukuthi i-juvenile diabetes umuntu omncane ufuna ukumqale ngani nge-insulin. Why? Because ukuchaza ukuthi umzimba akwazi ukwenza insulin. But what if today umntwana ukhule waqala ushukela ena 10 years? Now does that person still deserve insulin? Because kade umzimba ukwazi ukuregulate ushukela. All of a sudden was because of ukudla akudlayo wazi washintsha umzimba wahluleka ukuregulate ushukela. So adokotela because of that then benda ngisho ukuthi odokotela leya medicine yakudala i-juvenile diabetes usena emqondweni evela kufaka kulanto azofaka insulin because it's easier to control ushukela nge-insulin.
Do you think these doctors, these young doctors abasebenzele ibhedlela and all public hospitals none abasebenzisa yona lendlela lesilimazayo ba-aware of lokho?
Exactly not. Doctors are well-intending people, right? We're trained for all those years to serve. They want to serve. The only thing that is wrong with medicine is that they were taught, we bought into the wrong medicine, wrong teaching.
Okay.
Teaching AI sifaka sibe ngithi mina singodokotela they are abantu abangabasebenzi abangaba-sales person for ama-drugs. Because uyazi ukuthi i-curriculum yodokotela i-drive ubani? I-drive ama-drug companies. It is about drug companies that drive a curriculum of doctor. Health is a business. We must make money with health. So if you get in abantu abaningi into the system and abantu abaningi ubenze a lot of things and so to bagcine bephila for a long time as possible uzokwenza imali. Ama-trillions ye-profit eyenziwe ku-2024 ama-drug companies elondoza cancer today. Now, but I was saying that doctors are well-intended people, but they are nele ngafika kulomkhakha umuntu avele angafuni ukufunda. This is the thing. Angafuni ukufunda i-research. Athi umuntu kwakuthiwe umbala uyellow uzoba yellow ke forever. Mase kwenza i-research wathi umbala usushintsha usekho yellow umuntu akasekho lapha. So abantu bagcina behlanekezekela ngokuthola ilodoza ukuthola ukusizakala. So I'm saying to you, we've got data here. I've got a hospital, SM2, where we reverse sugar, where we reverse the autism, where we reverse some levels. There's one lady that we did in a miraculous way, right? She had sarcoma. This cancer can grow anywhere so quickly. We took her in, we took her to our medications and treatment and mode of management. We reversed this thing within 4 days. The things that had gone after 4 days, and we kept her that way.
So no Simgube at one point ngangikhuluma naye engitshela ukuthi yena akakwazi ngisho wenzani kanjani. I think it was 4 days later or 3 days later wangikhomisa before no after.
Exactly.
Uthi hayibo, I can't believe it. Hence I had interest in chatting to you and inviting you here. Ukuthi yena no sebekhona abantu sobasizile. Now kubantu abafuna ukuthi yena basizakale kuwena, how can I come to udokotela ngenza kanjani? We accept any medical aid, lezinto lezi kanjalo.
Yeah, good question. No, udokotela uba khona mqala udokotela siba khona la eThekwini Monday, ngoLwesibili, ngoLwesithathu, ngoLwesine, ngoLwesihlanu ngeSabatha. Bese ngiya bese emtubatuba the whole day on Sunday.
Okay.
But kusho ukuthi ke ngiba khona eBhedlela ngomsombuluko, ngiba khona ekseni, ngoLwesibili ngiba khona ntambama because I drive up and down at the moment. Because I don't have a doctor also wazi ukungisiza that side. Okay. Now so therefore sikhona la eThekwini up to Saturday. How we work is set abantu limit abantu, we don't abantu abafoni bathi ngicela ukwenza appointment. Sinqenta ama-appointment because yakasishaya sisebenze 3:20. So what we do is we say on Monday set about 30, ngoLwesithathu set about 30, ngoLwesihlanu set about 30, ngoLwesibili set about 20, ngoLwesine set about 20, ngeSabatha set about 15.
Okay, so nisuke nazi ukuthi yena okay, abantu banjani labasuke nibathatha nje ukuthi nibathatha ukuthi bazobehleli khona bazobe
No, asibona abantu asibabona labo. It's better it's not 24 beds. So if masoma admit siyamthatha sim transport simse emtubatuba and then bring them back later eThekwini. So that's what we are doing at the moment. But it's working very well. So that's why I'm going to say we've got data yabantu that we have reversed. We've got data about we have reversed izifo ezahlukahlukene including diabetes, mainly cancer, amakhanda, leso sokunuka umuntu avela nuke. Khona abantu yazi abantu banuke kuthiwa umboko ngesiZulu mangaphosisi avele benephunga nje ongalazi. Why you reverse those things? Because mawuzoya kuma dentist avele thamba oqhubha. This is how teaching has been.
Okay, so once you've reversed, let's say I refer my friend on a cancer.
Yeah.
Ngiyamrefera kuwena ngithi no nangu umuntu osowasiza usibani kanje. Okay, now you reverse and then after that ngeke sabuye noma uyumtshela ukuthi enza ukuthi ukuze ngeke sabuye.
Exactly. We tell patient ukuthi i-cancer kiba ngokudla. So this is how you should eat. We've got 5 categories of foods ofuneka uzikhethe. One is foods that have got good protein source.
Okay.
2, ukudla okune-fiber source. 3, ukudla okunama-antioxidants. These are colored foods. Ngikhuluma ngo-green pepper, yellow pepper, beetroot, carrots, whatever, ubhatata ntontoni. Ubhatata funeka udle namakhasi akhona, by the way, ungawakhipha amakhasi because aphatha mechanism okusiza umzimba wakho. Kube i-good omega-3 fatty acids, kube i-good probiotic. Probiotic is quite interesting. Probiotic amas, right? One of the examples, amas. Now, which amas? Uyabona amas esiwathenge ey'tolo. Amasi uthatha ubisi ulifake i-bacteria, okay, bese liyavuthwa ubisi bese liba amasi, right? Lactic bacteria, whatever bacteria.
Yes.
Now le bacteria efakwe emasini la siwathenga is a killed bacteria, so they take it bayibulala bese bayifaka obisini bese ivuthisa ubisi.
Okay.
Right. Amasi asemakhaya, it's from a live bacteria. Do you see now? Manje bakhuluma ngama-probiotics kufuneka uthole ama-live bacteria uku-improve ama-probiotics emzimbeni wakho. That's why abantu sibafundisa ukuthi uma ufuna ukudla amasi, kakhulukazi abengikhuluma abagulayo, abadla abanesifo sikashukela, abanesifo sanani kakho, sithi kubona hamba sesathenga amagula esibhedlela. Sibathenga igula, uthathe ubisi lisi ngathi sithi inkomo sikho, that's fine, let's take the very same milk abasidayisela lona, but kube yi-full cream milk nabi i-low fat, kube yi-full cream milk, uyolufaka eguleni okanye okhambeni, luvuthiswe i-bacteria e-natural, e-live, ozokwazi uzoba i-probiotic kuwena. Hayi ukuthatha uthanga amasi, amasi akuphi and these are killed bacteria. Abantu abafuna ucabanga ukuthi wawini mehluko phakathi kokuxubha ngomlotha nelahla at the time nokuxubha nge-toothpaste namhlanje. Amasi at the time amahewu ayenziwa siwathenga ey'tolo amahewu asemakhaya, because amahewu asemakhaya are from a live bacteria. Lawa asethola from a killed bacteria. And there's a difference there. There's a difference. So kuna i-medicine manje khona nge-gut microbiome. Ukuthi kufuneka si-improve i-gut microbiome yethu ukuze ama-brains ethu akwazi ukusebenza ngendlela. By the way, abantwana abane-autism siyabathatha thina sibafake i-gut microbiome, sishintshe ukwakheka kwamabacteria ngaphandle ukuze ukwazi i-vagus nerve kuyokhuluma nani nobuchopho, ngoba information esuka kuma-intestines iya lapha phezulu ihamba nge-vagus nerve. So ukushintsha that system to work better for our patients, so that abantu bagcine sebekhuluma benjani.
Okay.
These are the things that we're doing.
Kuyenzeka abantu bafike bengakhuluma at all.
Exactly, yes. I-autism, for instance, abantwana okuthiwa i-ADHD, right? Labantwana abagijimayo bahlale lapha baba ngumsindo and so on, that's called ADHD. It's autism sifo sakhona. So abakhuluma abanye baba kunama phases amaningi elondoza autism. It's not only one. Abanye abantu abakhuluma, so bafika lapha bengakhulumi begijima bethintini beba ngumsindo bengakwazi ukuhlala nabanye abantwana into ngithi baba vele bafaka kuma special schools.
Yes.
So sithatha abantwana abanjalo sebabuyisele kwi-main circulation.
Really?
Sithatha abantwana abathiwe impaired, kuthiwa ilento ngifuna igama lakhona, intellectual slow learners, let us say, aseba kumalondozo kuma special schools, bathathe sibafaka ku-main circulation. We've got one boy yakwaZonda, I think it's a Steng, baba khona wafika uzohlala endodana yakhe for about 14 days. Simnceda umntana. Why sesoka ku-special school? This is a special school. Sometimes now he's doing very well in mathematics.
So now do you have personally, do you have like a certain age for those kids?
No, we don't take ages. It will be wiser ukuthi umuntu as a diagnosis, because the diagnosis the ADHD yenziwa ama clinical psychologist, ayenziwa necessarily odokotela bafana nami na.
Abanye abantu especially laba abamnyama bayasaba ukuthi nganzawo bavule.
Exactly. That's the thing. That's why
lokho ishaya
esikoleni ayiqhubi kahle kwaze kwathini ngathi umntwana onale problem. Kanti if umntwana ubumlethe earlier sakwazi, today khona umntana very interesting. Umntwana simbona about a week ago. Umntwana kade sibele isikole Albert. Wafika bamdiagnose ukuthi une-cancer. Kusho ukuthi kwaba khona ichashazana laba khona esweni kwa left, right? So leli sokela uyakhula nje into engakanyana encanyana. So base bamdiagnose, no, umntwana une-cancer, yes. Right? So what do you do cancer yes emntwaneni? There's only one thing to do, go and remove the eye. Go and remove the eye. Okay, so in a 4 years. 4 years. 4 years. Now i-challenge ekhona kulanto ukuthi uma uzodelaya ukuyodecide ukuyosusa iso, amahla sebenza kanje ukuthi izo-spread iye kwelenye iso. That's the thing. I-spread yebuchoshe. Now, what do you have to need to do this as quick as possible? So today sinomntana osim-admit about 3 days ago. Ufike lapha engakwazi nokuvula iso, right? Because lento ibim-irritator, yenzanzani, we started with him on our treatment. Now, these are the things that we're doing live. In real time. It's not something, we're doing live these things in real time. It's a pity we don't have support that we need to have, where we could have abantu abazofika, but hey guys, open up this thing, kind of structures amakhulu, because sikwazi ukuthatha abantu about 8 or 50 at one time, bashintshe ushukela. We don't have that, that muscle.
What's the longest time you've had?
It's 9 days. Really? Usually reverse in 9 days. mayingadla amaphilisi mayingajova mayidla amaphilisi 9 days mayijova it's about 10 days. We did not pick up this 9 out of the blue. This was research was done in California, University of California by Professor Lustig, where he took abantwana wabafaka kuyilento for about 15 days, right? And they will reverse all these modalities in 9-10 days. But at the very same system by the General Hospital in California, this time they did it in 2 weeks.
You said you're the only doctor that works kuzindawo zo-2
Yeah, at the moment. They've got nurses, professional nurses that are doing this job. So what happens every morning, ngibona ama-patients, ngibashiye kubona, bawa-manage, if there are problems, we'll phone and so on and so on and so on. Like in any other hospital, there's no doctor that stays in the hospital for the whole day because there's so much to do that that involves abanye abantu. So that's what I do. So abantu, they, silight Stephen Station. Sise ku-Smith Street, duze kwa-Absa Bank, khona umgwaqo nje ongenayo lapha duze kwa-Absa Bank kuthiwa i-6 Durban Club Place igama lomgwaqo. Sise 10th floor kulelo building i-6 Durban Club Place eduze nje kuma-office e-IFP lapha ezansi. Sibe khona zayise from Monday up to Saturday. Sithatha abantu siyabalimita abantu ngenxa yesikhathi nanokuthi efficiency nanokukhathala ke that gets into the picture.
Awungiphendulanga mangithi medical aid abantu
Yes, medical aid no, unfortunately, because remember medical aid is part of the system. In medical aid ifuna abantu bahlale kushukela. Amaphilisini ifuna abantu bahlale emjoveni, ifuna abantu bahlale amaphilisini. We're taking them away from lezo zinto. So we're log ahead with them, unfortunately. So we don't have a medical aid ezothi abantu support abantu abalashwa njengabesifazane because funeka bagcine indlela lena ejwayele yase West ethu abantu abadla metformin, abadla insulin, abadla in. So we're reversing those things. So
ngabona nokudla enibadlisa bona abantu gcola ama greens.
It's very healthy. It's very healthy.
So if someone skips breakfast, udla ini, when is the right time to eat and what to eat?
I was saying ku-newspaper ngithi umuntu skippa i-breakfast, right? Let's say for starters, uthi uzoskippa i-breakfast. Uma uzoskippa i-breakfast uzodlani in the end. Try by all means to reduce sugar. Try always to reduce carbohydrates. That should be the thing. What do you eat? Hamba uyodla inyama yenkukhu yasekhaya. Hamba uyodla inyama yenkomo yasekhaya. Hamba uyodla ibroccoli. Hamba uyodla ubhatata namakhasi akhona. Hamba uyodla cauliflower, iklabishi, ama blueberries, amatshalo, right? Those foods yabona amatshalo nje ewodwa ama antioxidants ane fiber eningi as well. But make sure ukuthi uyawudla amasi every week at least 4 times. Next to ukuthi udla omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids wathola ekufish kuphela, at least ama-sardines nama-salmons ne-tuna fish at the moment. So those are the common ones in our setting. Ukufuneka abantu basticke kuzona.
But reduce processed food.
You need to reduce. If I wish I could say abantu by stop if I had all those powers. I wish I could say these companies as a lomsebenzi, let's just use what we used to do in the apartheid days.
Ngihlala eflatini ngikude ukuthi ngithole izinto lezi etshalwayo owehlisa ngaye emarket.
No. The moment abantu beshintsha, there will be abantu abazoproduce lezo zinto abantu abayifunayo. At the moment, that's how economy runs. Ukuthi senza okufunwa abantu.
As long as there's demand.
As long as there's demand. Once sishintsha i-demand, akumanye ama-countries siyenzeka lento. I-demand yokudla okwenziwa ngokwemvelo kukhona, iyadayiswa, kuney'market zakhona. So once there is demand yalonto, kuzoba khona i-market for that. So we need to change gradually to a point lapho kuzoba khona i-demand, abantu bakwazi ukuthi but at the moment kufuneka umuntu azimele, kufuneka itshale yona ingadi yakho, kufuneka uzenzele nombila. Cabanga nje nombila okusekhona 24 hours eThekwini. Before umbila wobona ngoDecember ngelonto. Manje sikhona why 24 hours, I mean every day kukhona umbila, every month kukhona umbila, because these things are injected.
Exactly. And that's khuluma ngayo indaba yambila. Umbila uyakhumbula ukuthi wena uma ulalile o-taster ngenye indlela lo uthi ukhiwe engadini. Ngikhule nginogogo maye engadini mawulalile kade uphekiwe ungathi usuya kodwa lo wala edrobheni ngokwazi ukuthi ufudumeze ngakusasa ugcina ususa right.
Exactly. You know, these things sifuneka siyifunde. Ufuna kuyifunde ukuthi yini yenza ukuthi isinko sombila. Yabona ngithi abantu abafuna bahlukane nezinko, right? Completely sinko, brown or white. Now, isinko isipho ngasidla, that's a question. Ikhona isinko esenziwe esisindayo, you know, esine fiber, esisindayo. Ongathi mawashawa ngaso ungaginqika phakathi. That's bread that you need to eat. But its taste is horrible. But if you ufuna impilo, that's what you need to eat. Not isinko esikhona njengamanje. Yizo inkampani zipromote into yezinkwa ezinganeni and so Nkosi yami, I wish they know what they are doing la abantu. Because they are destroying our children. They are destroying the generation to come.
Kade ngibona nje kwemanye amakhampani adayisa alcohol besebenzisa influencer ukuthi ipromote influencer eyumzali ukuthi promote i-drink non-alcoholic and umzali and futhi ukhulelwe so abantu sebeyasho ukuthi promote kanjani even if it's non-alcoholic but the fact that this particular brand alcohol introducing to ey'nganeni I realize ngicela ukuthi usikhulume ngama-energy drink ke wona lawona lawa asedliwa.
I will let me just make two statements before I come to energy drinks. Uyazi ukuthi you know, this is, you know, people say it's not controversial, it's true. Ukuthi utshwala, I'm going to say this, utshwala, any tshwala, it is more safer to drink utshwala than uphuze Coca-Cola or energy drink for that.
Wow, lizizwele.
You see, because you know, go to COVID. What happened during COVID? Abantu abaphuza utshwala baphuza utshwala. Bebhema. Did they die?
No,
they did not. Who died? Bonke laba befakwe endlini kuthiwa hayi you know phuma amaphoyisa quarantine. He died. Go to ekomhlabi yalingana. Uzibuza ukuthi abantu abamhlanje ngindaba engafanga kakhulu. Abantu abafaya ngo-COVID, abantu baseThekwini, you know, in this metro malls.
Amakani.
You know, Newcastle, Empangeni, Richards Bay, la abantu bebehlala ey'ndaweni ezi-cosmo, like, ezinamadolobha, ezine-access to these foods esikhuluma ngazo. Abantu abahlala koMangusi, akaze bafe ngaloo ndlela. But, you know, I blame this to us, ukuthi we should have researched by now, sithi, yini abantu baseMangusi bengafanga? Right? Yini amaphara, ngithi amaphara ayifakwe lapha epark efakele ilot. Aphuma amaphara ayibele akazafa amaphara ayaphila namhlanje amaphara ko. Why? Now to say ukuthi it all evolved around food that you were eating. Ukuthi how susceptible you were kwi system leya ikhona at the time coronavirus. That was the thing that was killing abantu. And the main thing by the way that was killing abantu kwakuyi nitric oxide deficiency. We can talk about deficiency some other day. But this is the thing. Energy drinks. Abantu today, you know, if you follow economy, uzothola ukuthi i-Coca-Cola has gone down. Ilonto zakhona, i-share, whatever it is, kwilezo market ezinkulu. The reason yokuthi sithi abantu bayahlehla from. So what has Coca-Cola done? You know, they're promoting energy drinks. Okay? Because abantu banjani bakhathele. Angithi lokhu kudla sidla kufika knock off mitochondria. Mitochondria mawusikhumula esikoleni kwakuthiwa it's a powerhouse. It gives you energy. Right? So all these fructoses, whatever it is, they take the metformins, they go in, they knock off mitochondria ngaphakathi. Bose umzimba yakhathala. Umuntu odla metformin abasifo sikashukela unknock off metformin. Umuntu odla isifo amaphilisi esifo senqondo. Metformin is mitochondria is getting knocked away.
Yes.
Kunephilisi ekuthiwa wena i-olanzapine lisetyenziswa abantu not abakhozi but abagula ngokomqondo. So umuntu mayeshaya izinto lifike kwehlisa lo. Uyazi ukuthi i-olanzapine ifike yenze lonto emqondweni bese iyasuka iye umzimbeni ifike idale the very same disease esebuchosheni. Do you see that? Ma thatha isifo amaphilisi ekhanda. Amaphilisi ekhanda all of them are revolve around paracetamol. You know, bashintsha ama colors in terms of colors. Bafaka lokho bese beyidayisa. But it's centrally it's the same drug. So bafike bathathe this pills. Le pills ifike ihlisa ikhanda. Bisisijika iya kuphi emzimbeni ifike idale the very same khanda ebilihlisile ngalo. So that ubuye kudokotela dedole yazi seniphelela ngiphathi ikhanda bese lihle basele yangiphathi. Right? But hayi basinyisa idose. Uyabona i-supply chain eya kuphi ema companies adayisa ile kunyuke njalo. That's why I get order that just sales people about some drugs for big companies. Because that's all what we're trained to do. We're not trained. Ufokuzibuza ukuthi yini indaba odokotela bengafundi ngokudla. We're not taught about ukudla esikolweni. Not. Nobody teaches us ukuthi mawungena ukudla kwenza lokho nalokho. No, we're not taught. We're not taught ukuthi disease yenzeka kanjani. Sekukhona inflammation. Hambe sithathe ibuprofen. That's what, because we are these sales people abafuna badishe lama drugs to people so that abantu baqhubeke bagule icycle of demand, revolving door. Uyaphuma uyangena until you die. That's how the system works. So that's why I still say Umar Joshua was the best minister who saw this thing, including the president at the time. They should go back. We don't say it. We didn't say it. We threw everything to us. I said, no, man, we better. No, mama was a tintin. She knew what she was doing. She knew what she was doing at the time.
Yeah.
So at the moment, about they are on their own. Energy drink, it's a bad thing. It's a bad thing. It's a bad thing, energy drink, because it's a promoter when ufike ukudla ufike knock off mitochondria ufukukhathele uhambe uphuza energy drink. It's the same thing it destroy ngaphakathi emzimbeni ugcina addicted emzimbeni nucleus khona nucleus accumbens esemzimbeni kuyona enza ukuthi abantu babe addicted sibe addicted to this, addicted to that. Now these are all the things as called, umzimba is very complicated, very complicated itself indlela osebenza ngayo. So abantu they've analyzed this thing, they see where we're going to, but kufuneka odokotela abafana nami bafunde i-research, kufuneka babe involved kwi-research so that bakwazi ukunceda abantu bangagcina unceda umuntu ngento oyifunde kudala esikoleni ocabanga ukuthi sasebenza namhlanje. No, things have changed. Medicine has changed. Medicine is changing, and you need to sebenza i-research ukusiza abantu bakithi. Abantu bangahlali ko-metformin, bangahlali ama-antipsychotic drugs, bangahlali kuphi for no reason.
So as a doctor owathola doctorate yakhe 7 years ago, you must always keep yourself updated and doing research all the time.
You must. There's no other way, bro. Kade kunomfana kwathi only PhD wayenza la eNatal wase-UCT wasegula ngomqondo. What's my respect, right? Say UCT. No, because they know what we do. We took even this boy who said when the PhD at UCT.
Wow.
Why say gula esetintin esedla amaphilisi ade ngikhuluma ngawo. Now abantu mabayifunde la nto ukuthi all these things comes from food that we're eating. If you eat bad food, you're gonna end up badly. If you eat bad food die sooner. If you eat bad food uzoshona usungenamehlo usuhamba nge-wheelchair usunjanjani because of the choices ezenzayo as far as food is concerned. I'm sure sengikhulume kakhulu. Alright. Inombolo zethu 082 475 1005 no 076 620 4598.
Utholakale futhi emsakazweni.
Yeah, I do. Nama slots emsakazo kade ngikhona nje slot izolo ngolesithathu, ngine slot on Saturday kuyi Izolo Mzansi bese kuba ne slot na kuyi iphepha iSolezwe. I do articles about health for them. I've been doing this since 2007, so I've been doing it, all these years.
Wow.
How many years now? Maybe it's about more than 10.
Yeah.
No, more than what?
Yeah, more than
7
more
up
than
to
10.
now. It's a lot of 14 years,
Yeah.
something like that.
Yeah.
But that's what I've been doing. Trying ukwenza abantu babe aware. It's a problem ukuthi abantu bakithi abafuna ukufunda. Bhala newspaper, kuba ngcono into mayisemsakazweni because abantu ukufundela ukuthi umntana phansi afunde. It's not there. The culture must change. The culture must change.
Podcast
Exactly. That's why I'm here.
Yeah.
That's why I'm here, because I know my podcasts, podcasts are doing so well in many countries.
Yeah.
Information and my podcasts, I say to you, mainstream media.
Yeah.
It doesn't come through.
Exactly.
It doesn't come through because mainstream media is managed. It produces a certain product, information. Any product, information, so exactly.
Email and like your email.
Email it's Ithi drbonganinxumalo@gmail.com at the moment. Sinayo yazi i-website ikhona ithi Yangakithi Medicals, www.yangakithi medicals, uyakwazi ukuthola information ngathi lapho. Njengoba ngishilo ngathi sikhona ke Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday la eThekwini, sibe seThekwini full day eMtubatuba on Sundays, but obviously esibhedlela Dolo hlala ekhona nje all the time, so that I interact with my patients at various levels. I so wish ukuthi we could get more health workers, not only medical doctors, health workers, onesi, obanbani, ama pharmacists, ama dentists who read. No, don't believe what I'm saying. Just go and read. Just go and read. Ungabelieve they show hotel, at least go and read and cross-check what I'm saying to you, if it's true or not. Because we need to have this battalion of our workers who need to go and speak to abantu. Abefundisi must speak to their congregations. Oh, ban, all these leaders are, that is my elections in May, but not even a single political party could health. But nobody spoke about health, because health is always there at the backdrop. You have come, okay, comrades, any other matter, any other business, health. That's how it is. That's how it is. But abantu, they need health, right? We all of us, we go through health one way or the other in we need, but it's not in the priority of my leaders' aid, unfortunately.
Yeah, siyabonga kakhulu Dr. for ukuthi usijoyine namhlanje. I'm sure abantu abaningi bafundile ukukhulu, nami ngifundile ukukhulu nje njengokuthi nefene ngisebenzisa umlozi mangifuna ukuqupha. Kulabo abalaki ukuthi babe seduze nezingadi obanazo indawo zokuthi batshale, abayijwayeze manje ukuthi batshale, abantu bengazi ukuthi kutshala kanjani, babuze gogogo, batshale ba reduce futhi kwinkukhu lethengwayo olamthuthu, badla inkukhu yasekhaya, behlise nakushukela. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Futhi bonga kakhulu.
Sure.